刚刚洗完头发，有点毛毛的，所以呢，大家如果有不错的推荐好用的拯救毛发毛躁的产品，也欢迎推荐给我。
Hello, welcome back to Fine channel. We are going to unboxing a very special product because I mentioned that my hair is very fluffy before. So when I came back to Taiwan, I went to the hair salon to do the hair treatment, and my hairdresser suggested me to use this special product. It's called hair lotion. Your hair need have a little lotion, just like your skin, and if your hair have a lotion on it, you will feel very special. Because this one, I feel like it's like a hair perfume because the smell is so good. They have a lemon, they have rose, and the jasmine. This is all the favorite I like, and they are not oily. They are very fresh, refreshment after you use this. So usually, before I use this one, it's all right. It's all right. The roses hair treatment oil, but this one after I using, I feel that my hair is so oily. I just wash my hair and my hair oily. So this one, even you have hair dry and or half dry, doesn't matter. You just put like this and just like cream, and you put like this and you put on your hair and at the end of the tip like this, very gently. Then voila, my hair done. It doesn't look fluffy anymore. So if you like it, you can try my unboxing product together. So this is my unboxing hair treatment for you. If you like it, it's from the护丝国际 from Taiwan.
Even if it makes me blind, I just wanna see the light.